in terms of care after you've planted your plant. Biggest thing is probably put a bit of mulch on. This is just granulated bark. You can get this from most good garden centres and what have you, but otherwise just a good mulch. And just probably put it on no more than 20-25 mil just on top of the root ball. And you can do that every year after that, after you've had your rhodo. So not too deep, and keep it away from the trunk. And then fertiliser, usually just once a year after that. In the springtime, once they've finished their flowering, or before they flower, somewhere around there, just sprinkle it on just around the drip line, because that's usually as far out as the roots go for rhodos. And then just water well in the summer. So with rhodos, the biggest thing, if you start seeing their leaves curl up, that's a sign of dryness and stress. And then if they go from the tips down brown, that's excessively dry. So once you get to that, it's quite stress on the plant. So best thing, big water once a week rather than lots of little ones. And then any problems, just give us a ring or look on our website, crosshills.co.nz. Thank you.